Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Moss Bluff, local and long-distance movers near me. Have you decided to move out of the small town Moss Bluff and your new destination is miles away? Hire a moving company to make your relocation process much easier. Moving companies can handle all the moving processes to focus on other things. 3 Movers is a moving company that can help you move with your relocation process. We offer moving services at the cheapest rates to make your long-distance move under budget. We understand the needs and requirements of our customers. Many people tend to make a DIY move when moving locally. However, moving locally also involves tracking, loading, and lifting your things that are difficult for an individual to do alone. Therefore, hiring a moving company would be considered the best option. 3 Movers is a moving company that can complete your local move in just a few hours. We offer hourly rates ranging from $30 to $40 per hour, making us affordable. If you're still unsure, ask our Shroud to confirm our finest moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Moss Bluff moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.